The Founders Award for an individual is to recognize a person with their steadfast commitment to We Care for Kids Foundation. This year, the board has selected Pamela Seney. Pamela has been involved with We Care for Kids since it was founded, and she has continued to support all our endeavors and initiatives since that time. Pamela played a key role in We Care for Kids' decision to commit $1 million to support the creation of the first and only operating room for pediatrics in this community. Pamela has volunteered and organized many events that supported the foundation. Not only has she done those things, but she has been a great role model and gotten a number of other people involved with the foundation. On behalf of the board, it was an easy decision for us to select Pam for this award, and I would like to congratulate her and thank her for being someone who cares.
Pam Seney was a board member of We Care for Kids for a number of years, and she also served as president of the foundation. Back when Pam was a board member and the president, the foundation did not have a full-time operations manager like we do today with Ashley Weirs. So Pam shouldered a lot of this work herself, and she took a very hands-on approach in her role. One of Pam's biggest contributions to We Care for Kids was spearheading the campaign for a designated pediatric operating room at Windsor Regional Hospital. At the time, it was the largest capital campaign that the foundation had ever undertaken, and it was a very daunting job to raise $1 million. Pam was extremely passionate about the mission of We Care for Kids. She worked tirelessly for the cause, and she was a real role model to me and others involved in the foundation, and she was truly inspiring to all of us. It was a real privilege for me to be able to work with Pam, and I'm very pleased that her contributions are being recognized as a recipient of the Founders Award.
Through Pam Seney's vision and the hard work and generosity of We Care for Kids, a pediatric dental operating room was opened in 2008. This room services some of our most needy and vulnerable children in our community. Windsor-Essex County experiences almost 2 times the provincial average for early childhood caries. We're talking about kids with significant dental needs, multiple restorations are required, multiple infected teeth, unrestorable teeth, draining infections. Some of the children we service are also children and adolescents with significant physical, emotional, and intellectual challenges. This room's friendly environment with the wall decals, fishy light covers, and our exceptional operating room nurses provides a real child-centered care approach. The surgical safari touring and the child life team also help reduce anxiety. These efforts to make the children feel comfortable and reduce pediatric wait times really fulfills Ms. Seney's and Windsor Regional Hospital's vision on exceptional care.
My name's Pam Seney, and I am absolutely honored to be noted as one of the Founder Award winners for We Care for Kids. I got involved with We Care for Kids because I was doing many charity golf tournaments and realized that I had a responsibility to the people who were participating in the event to know where the funds were going and making sure that they went to where they were supposed to go. So I started investigating charities, and We Care for Kids came up, and been donating to them ever since. We Care for Kids has done a lot to help pediatric care in our communities. Most people would not even realize that when they go to the hospitals, John McGivney Center, that a lot of those items are all donated, and people are fundraising for them. And We Care for Kids has been that place where people could donate the money and know that it would go to the best place to make an improvement and a difference in the health and wellness of our children. We Care for Kids for years had been purchasing the pediatric equipment for the 3 local hospitals and the John McGivney Center, but we had done so well that we thought, what else is out there? And I went one day to Karen McCullough at Windsor Regional Hospital, and I asked her to think outside the box, to find something that would make a drastic difference in the health and wellness of our children. And she started to tell me a story of how many of our local children were suffering with needing ears, nose, throat, and dental surgeries, and that even though we had the surgeons in the area, the surgeons didn't have the time in the operating room To correct that problem, she needed $1 million. And $1 million is a lot of money. But what that $1 million did was it converted a storage room and purchased the equipment needed in order for that to become the new pediatric operating room suite. And that drastically reduced the wait time for our children's surgeries, and it's still running today and doing a marvelous job. Thank you again for the honor of the Founders Award. I thank you for the years I was able to spend with We Care for Kids, and I would encourage everyone to continue giving to this absolutely wonderful cause.